5. Question number 1 lang is find the depth. Show me 2/3 of surgical passive force develops. Pasabot kung nakay sheet 5 na. Nakay active is mo ni magduwag dito, or sa overturning moment ba, magpa-unstabilize sa soil, no? Ang passive is mo pa yung so kung mag-design ka nito retaining wall or sheet 5, ganun ka conservative design, pwede mo i-neglect si resisting moment, no? Okay, so gano'n, question number 1 is why the show me 2/3 vertical passive development. Daily 100% ang ina-provide sa passive. Siguro, kumbok ka rin passive, hindi siya 100%. Okay, 2/3 lang. 2/3 of the passive first na. So, why that? Same bagay pa lang, okay, active. Yeah. This is 6.6 plus H or B. Then, nakay passive. Yung passive lang, yung nakay-KP, di ba? Or, yung passive lang is, instead na 100%, multiplyan mo siya o 2/3. Submission moment at A equal to 0, nakay-active. 6.6 plus H, 30. Divided by 3 is equals to passive. H divided by 3. Pero, take note na kayo yung passive force na like this. Yung KP is multiplier ng 2/3. Yung KP. So, pila si Ted? Pila is it for question? 8.0? 8.0? Ang force, ako naman na. Ay, 500. Ratio of ductile passive to active. Okay, so kanala sa sheet 5 yes, no?